Welcome to this meditation to find serenity through the storm, to process, restore, and revitalize. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Soften your forehead and jaw. Relax your shoulders and let your hands rest gently by your sides. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale with a long sigh. In this moment, there is nothing you need to do. You are safe here. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded in this present moment. Feel the surface beneath you holding you. Feel the air on your skin. And notice the beat of your heart. Breathe in deeply and exhale with a sigh. You are part of this earth, a part of this great cycle of life. You have been through many seasons, just as the earth has. Times of growth, times of rest, and times of transformation. Right now, in this moment, you are exactly where you need to be. You are whole and you are complete. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Imagine a gentle light glowing at the center of your chest where your heart resides. This is the light of your inner strength, the strength of all the women who have come before you, the strength of your own soul, and the strength that is always within you, even when you can't feel it. This strength is steady and unwavering. It is the courage that has carried you through all challenges, and it will carry you through this one as well. Take another deep breath and exhale. Now repeat these words to yourself. I possess the strength to rise time and time again. I possess the strength to rise time and time again. Feel the truth of these words fill you like a gentle wave of warmth spreading through your body. Let this warmth wash over any parts of you that feel heavy, hurt, or broken. Take another deep breath and exhale. Take a moment to acknowledge whatever pain, anger, sadness, or fear that you may be carrying. There's no need to push it away. You are human, and it is okay to feel. Allow yourself to be fully present with whatever is in your heart without judgment. Now imagine breathing in light that begins to dissolve the heaviness. And when you exhale, imagine releasing that pain into the earth, where it will be transformed and returned to peace. Take in a deep breath of light and exhale any pain, anger, or sadness. As you breathe, let the light fill your body from your head down through your chest, down your legs, to the very tips of your toes. Breathe in light and exhale, letting the anger, fear, and sadness leave your body. With each breath, you are soothing the pain within. You allow the feelings to exist and process because you are capable of not only holding those feelings in love, but also of soothing them because you deserve to feel not only okay, but hopeful, determined, and even joyful again. Take another deep breath of light and exhale. You are where you are meant to be right now on your journey. Look back and remember the challenges you have faced and overcome. With each rising, you uncover more of the magnificent woman that you are. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Feel a deep sense of gratitude for the woman that you are, whole, capable, worthy, and strong. Feel this truth flow deep into your bones, into the very essence of who you are. You are worthy of joy, you are worthy of rest, and you are worthy of every step forward. Know that you carry the strength, peace, and healing that you are cultivating with you always. In times of doubt, remember this space, this light, this peace that you have found. You are never alone. You have everything you need inside of you to rise again and again. Take one more deep breath in and exhale. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Take care of yourself, beautiful soul. You are enough. Namaste.